Damn, I just charged this battery yesterday and it's already about to die. Guys, check it out. Okay, got the motor all together like you guys saw in the last video, right? Check that out. Boom. Painted, right? Ooh, ooh. How's the lighting? I can't really tell, but oh, there you guys go. There you guys go. Damn. That looks really good. So I'm gonna do the this side and the back because I did this last night. And this side here, I put tape in every single hole so there's no paint in any of the threads. Taped off the gears. So even taped off the oil pump so that way it stays black. And we're gonna do the same here. But now I gotta let this thing charge because, you know, I charged it last night, full battery, took it off, next thing you know, it's dying, so what can you do? But anyways, he brought us the rest of the parts last night. We got the oil pan, the oil pan gasket, the oil pan itself, which I cleaned and painted last night also. And then he brought, what else did he bring us? He brought us a few sensors that are broken. He brought us, oh, the rear main seal bolts, which I painted the rear main seal. I put it over there. It is silver. You guys see that? It's the same amount silver as this. So yeah, he brought us a little bit more parts for this, so that way we could slap it. Oh, and the valve cover. Yes, yes. This skirt. This. I can't even get the word out. Disgusting fucking thing. It is hard to look at. It's like looking at your sister. All right, so I'm gonna get to this. I'm gonna get taping off to the little holes and all that noise, and yeah, just get taping. All right, ladies and gents, as you guys can see, I got the oil pump taped off. Let me turn this down real quick. Got the oil pump taped off, right? And I have all the holes plugged. I just need to get these two done, and then I'm ready to paint. First, I'm gonna heat up the area, then I'm gonna paint it, and then I'm gonna heat up the area. And I'm gonna do about maybe 3 coats because that's what I did over here on this side and on this side. This side got 1 coat because it's gonna get covered. You won't see it, but I did 3 sides on this one. I'm gonna do 3 on the back because why not? So sometimes people see the side, the back, or whatever, what have you. So, and then I'm gonna do about 3 sides on this side because this is where the timing belt, not the timing belt, distributor goes, and the distributor you can see all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Look at that. Tasty. Right? Look at that. Don't worry, this plug is gonna get changed. Chill. This motor is officially fully painted. Fully, man. Fully painted. Now all I gotta do is clean off that valve cover, which is disgusting. Put the oil pan on, and then the rest is up to Alex to do, not for me. So yay! I'm finished. Hooray! Hooray! I want you guys to see the amount of detail. Okay, painted that silver. Dropped the heat gun. Painted that silver, right? Because that's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be like a silver. Painted this the flat toned kind of black, and then wrinkled black this like it should be. So now this looks 100%, if not kind of close to OEM, and I love it. Absolutely love it. Pull this bad boy out right here. Also, if you have welding wire, that's a great hanger. It molds to the way you need it to be, and I'm just gonna let this boy hang here and chill because it's way too hot to touch. So that's why I'm grabbing in here on the shafty shaft. Got the brackets on, got the water neck on that I painted black because that's how it is in OEM, so it looks brand new. Got the thermostat housing, half shaft on. Everything's looking really good, really clean. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow because the mosquitoes come out around this time, and I ain't trying to get bit because yeah, fuck mosquitoes. I got that on camera. You said you're gonna hurt your brother. You guys hear that? We got Omo right over there. We got Lawrence over there. We got his interior parts in the back of the Datsun because he's gonna go grab the rest of the stuff that he got at the junkyard so he can finish up the back end of his car. We got the oil pan on. We got the Alex.
Driveway.
There goes Lawrence. We got the driveway empty. Don't mind the boxes. I need to cut all these up so I can put them in the trash can. I cut up my boxes because you get more room. Now, the more you know. But I'm doing almost oil change, spark plugs, and spark plug wires. And I think that's pretty much it. So we're gonna let it cool off a little bit, and then he's gonna pull it into the driveway, and then that's when I'm gonna start doing his oil change. I even got my oil dumped, thanks to Alex, because everybody who says that they're gonna do the oil change here never dumps their oil. Thank you again for dumping the oil for me. So that's what we're gonna do today, and probably I'm gonna clean the valve cover today. I'm gonna use my neighbor's pressure washer because it's gas powered, so it's gonna everything. So yeah. No, you're good. Oh, carbon fiber whip. Oh, come this way. Perfect. Oh, did I get hurt? No, I didn't. Oh, thank God.
Good thing it flexed.
Right?
Yeah.
Whew, that was scary. What do you guys think about this EK? Look at that. Carbon fiber hood.
Hey, that's expensive.
What?
It's EM1, not EK.
You guys want to see a magic trick? Check this out. What do you guys think about this EM1? Carbon fiber hood, Sibon lip. All Roll Motorsports, guys. That's where you guys get your stuff. He's opening up a new shop in probably Moreno Valley. So that's where you guys can get all your stuff. Check out these rims. Donnie and Squeak. I know you guys like rims. You guys are a big fan of rims. Love this color. This is the stock EM1 color. Granada black. Granada black pearl.
I've been under the bumper and good thing it flexed up. Oh God.
B16 A2. This is his grocery getter. His daily. What's the other car you have?
The FD6. 2015 SI.
2015 SI? Yeah. So we're about to do the oil change on this today. So, got my tools ready. Got my jacket stuff over here. Got my rags, because you know I'm on them. And I got some stuff for his spark plugs and whatnot. Bam. I did it off camera, but the spark plugs are done. Oil is already being changed. It's still dripping. I don't know if you guys can see that, but after that, we're done. After working on this, going live. We went live on Instagram. Now we're live on Omo's Hey, I'm filming over here. Come on.
It was TikTok first and now it's Instagram.
Yeah, now we're filming on Instagram. We're on Instagram Live. How many people we got? 9? How many views on the Supreme Patty video?
3,000.
3,000 already? Damn.
Let's see the build and the ride.
Supreme Patty posted on his Instagram, on his TikTok. He'll give 500 to the first person who reaches a certain amount of video, like views on a video. We just posted it and we're already the top video, so that's crazy. So shout out to Supreme Patty if you're watching this, which I don't. We got a lot done today. Don't mind this. This is from the oil filter when I took it off and it went all over the place. Lawrence brought all of his plastic pieces. So we got all the plastic pieces in. It's looking good. He has the seats. He has the cargo cover. And the carpet goes right over that. So everything is looking really good. We got a lot done today, guys. A lot done today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you guys slap that like button, subscribe. You know, Toto would appreciate it, right, Totes? Right, baby girl? So make sure you guys subscribe. Tune in for the next video. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy, so you don't have to be. Peace.